Hey YouTube, I want to thank you for watching this video, and today we're going to do an unboxing on this package that I got from China. I think I know what it is. It's going to be one of those smartphone holder mounts. It's magnetic. So let's go ahead and open this and look inside. Yep, that's what it is. So there's nothing in the package. So as you can see, it's just a regular box. It's off-brand box. I got the silver one here, and you can connect it to your AC vent. It says inner plate inside the mobile phone shell. Okay. If you look on your side here, pad protection. If you look in the back, if you have a cell phone case, disassemble, remove the film, and cover the phone case. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means, but it says that it's innovative, stylish design, easy install, easy. You get the point. So there's 6 colors here. Get the red, gold, silver, teal, rose gold, and silver. Oh, 2 silvers. Okay. So there's really not much around the box here. Let's go ahead and open it. There's no instructions. It comes with 2 plates. Not sure what this big plate is for. If anybody knows, just let me know in the comments. Yep, come on, get out. Nope. So yeah, I know this round one is to connect it to maybe the back of your case or whatnot. And the magnet it works good. It feels good. If you look around, this is where you gonna connect it to your AC vent. And this plate, I'm still trying to figure out what it is for. So this is my Google Pixel 2 XL. I think I'm gonna put this one on. Let's see what happens. I don't think that's gonna look good, but let's see. That's good. Let's try to shake it here a little bit. I mean, I'm shaking pretty hard, so yeah, it eventually it does fall, but I mean, with the bumps and stuff around when you're driving, I don't think it'll fall. Let's take it off here. I love this phone. Right now I'm not using it. I'm basically using my Essentials phone right now. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna stick it on the case here on my phone. This is a rubber padding here, so it won't scratch your case. It feels like the body is made of aluminum. The rest of the body here is made out of plastic, hard plastic, so it feels pretty good. So this was just a short unboxing of this mount. It feels good. It seems to work fine. Go ahead and wait till the end of this video. I'm gonna leave a short footage of this mount in action. God bless you. Have a great day. That was a big hole, but I did it purposely just for this, to test it out, see how it works. And it's pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty good, but the hole was pretty bad. I hope I ain't mess up my truck's axle, front axle, or whatever. Yep.